Welcome to the Blogging Tips channel. In this video, I am going to show you step by step on how you can easily set up this fully functional blog within minutes. No coding or technical skills is required. Simply follow along my video and I will show you how you can get it up and running quickly and easily. If you like this video and find it of value to you, please like and subscribe to my video. This will encourage me to make more similar videos in future. At the end of the video, I will give you this premium blog which is used in this video completely free of charge. This blog is a high-quality ready-made site which you can use as a starting template to quickly start a niche site and enter any market. It is preloaded with articles, banners and affiliate links for Amazon, ClickBank and AdSense. All you need is to replace the affiliate IDs with yours and you are done. All you need to do is to comment below and let me know you want this free done for you blog. So please be sure to watch to the end of the video and comment below. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we start, let's identify the requirement in order to install the Done For You blog onto your server. You will first need a purchase for a domain name. There are many places to purchase a domain name. For example, you can get your domain name from Bluehost.com, Namecheap, GoDaddy, etc. You will need a web hosting service to host the files for your blog. It is important to choose a reliable web hosting company. You don't want a hosting company that is unreliable and has poor customer support. Please ensure that your hosting provides the following features: cpanel, PHP, MySQL, FTP or file manager, email account. I've been using Bluehost.com for several years to hold all my domains, websites, and blogs. You just need to purchase for one account and you can host multiple, unlimited domains. It is very cost-effective and easy to set up. I would strongly recommend Bluehost.com if you need hosting services. Okay, once you have purchased your domain name and signed up for your hosting, remember to set the DNS so that your domain name is pointing to the IP of your web hosting server. With that said, let's move on to the next step. Log into your cpanel. Once you are in cpanel, look for the section MySQL Database and click on it to create a new database. At New Database, enter a name for your database. It can be any name you like. I called it Test in this case. Now click on Create Database. Now the database is created. Click on Go Back to return to the previous screen. After creating the database, we now have to create a user and password for that database. Please take note of the username and password when creating them. We will need to refer to these information later on. Scroll to the area called Add New User under the section MySQL Users. For username, enter the username of your choice. Next, enter the password 2 times. You may also use the password generator button to generate a secure password for your user database. Once you are ready, click on the Create User button to create the username and password for the database. Don't forget to take note of the username and password. Now that you have created the user and password for the database, it is time to add the user rights to the database. Scroll to the section Add User to Database. Select the user by clicking on the down arrow on the right of the text box. Then select the database that you have created earlier. Click on the Add button. On the page that says Manage Your User Privileges, check the All Privileges box and click on the Make Changes button. Now the user will be assigned all the privileges to access the database. It is now time to upload the files to your server. Once you have downloaded the files from my website, proceed to unzip the files if you have not already done so. Next, look for the folder called Files to Upload. You will see 2 files there, namely bloggingtips.zip and importbuddy.php. Just upload these 2 files to the server. At cpanel, look for File Manager of the Files section. Click on File Manager. Look for the root folder of your website. In my case, it is called public_HTML. Click on public_HTML on the left panel. Now click on the Upload button on the top. You will see a new page. Click on the Select File button. Navigate to the folder where you store the 2 files to be uploaded. Select the bloggingtips.zip file. Click the Open button. The file will begin to upload. Now click on Select File button again to upload the second file. This time select importbuddy.php and click the Open button. Wait for it to be uploaded. When the uploading is done, click on the Go Back button below. We are now ready to install the scripts. Remember the database settings that you noted down earlier? Please get ready those information with you as we will need them soon. Head over to your web browser. Go to your website URL. For example, if your domain name is bloggingtips.com, enter http://www.bloggingtips.com/importbuddy.php. You will be asked for the authentication password. In the downloaded files, refer to the file installation notes.txt. You can find the import buddy password there. Copy the password and paste it here. Then press the Authenticate button. You will now see the backup file ready to be restored onto your side. Simply click on the Restore Backup button. You have now reached Step 3, the database settings. Under the New Database column, enter localhost for database server. Enter your database name which you have created earlier. Enter the database user. Enter the database password. Enter WP_ for the database prefix. You may leave the 2 boxes below unchecked. Click on the Next Step button to proceed. We are now at Step 5. Site URL settings. By default, the system detected the website URL for you. If it is not correct, simply make the changes accordingly. For my case, it is correct. So simply press the Next Step button. Now we are at Step 6, the final stage. Simply leave everything as default and click on Finish Cleanup and let the system do the rest of the work for you. Congratulations! The setup is completed. You may now enter your URL on the browser or simply click on the link here to view your new website. Now you have a fully functional website ready to monetize. We have come to the end of this video. We hope the information is beneficial to you. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share this video. This will certainly encourage us to produce more contents for you in the near future. If you want this done for you blog scripts, simply put your comment below and I will send you a link to download it. If you need a good, affordable, and reliable web hosting, check out on the links in the description below. Last but not least, if you have any questions or want to learn more about other topics, do leave your comments below. We love to hear from you. See you soon.